Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to read this type of AC pressure gauge, and I'm also going to explain to you what the low side and the high side readings can tell you about the air conditioning system. So first of all, before connecting a gauge, you need to find out which refrigerant your AC uses, such as whether it is R410A or whether it is R32 or R134A. Now pressure readings vary with the refrigerant, so using the wrong pressure chart can lead to the incorrect diagnosis. Now you need to simply identify two gauges. So first we have this blue one, and then it is going to basically measure the low pressure side, while the red is going to basically measure the high pressure side. So after connecting the manifold gauge set, you need to let the AC run for about 10 to 15 minutes so that the pressures can stabilize before taking the reading. Now you need to simply start comparing the reading with the manufacturer's pressure chart for the current outdoor pressure. If both the gauges read the lower than expected, the system may have a refrigerant leak. If both the readings are usually high, it means the poor condenser airflow or an overcharged system could be the cause. Don't rely on the pressure alone. Also check whether the air coming from the vents is cold, whether the compressor is running continuously, and whether the evaporator coil or the refrigerant lines are icing up. So these symptoms help confirm that the gauge readings actually mean. Finally, once you are finished, you just have to simply close the manifold valves before disconnecting the hoses, and this is going to basically help prevent the refrigerant loose and keep the system sealed properly. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.